I was on Facebook and I saw a friend of mine who's a nurse in a local hospital. She had posted a message saying that the hospital that she was working at was in dire need of personal protection equipment. One thing in particular I noticed was they were in need of these protective shields. I didn't really know what they were. I thought it was a mask of some sort, and so I looked online to see what it was. And from the moment I saw the photo of it, I thought, well, hey, that's probably something I could print on my 3D printer. I've had this 3D printer for about 3 years now. We generally just sort of create toys and tinker around with it with the kids. I've got an 8-year-old and a 4-year-old. We've made remote control airplanes and parts and stuff, and so I thought, well, let's see if we can actually print one of these shields and see how it comes out. So assembling the shields are it's pretty straightforward. We send the shields just like this in the box with a whole bunch of these clear sheets made out of PVC material. And essentially, when they arrive at the hospital, the nurses or doctors just pop the shield on, just like this. It takes 5 seconds. If they've got a smaller head, they can use the elastic that we include. Most of them don't. And that's it. On one printer, I'm lucky if I could produce maybe 30, 40 a day. Seeing how big the response was, I thought, well, maybe I'll put together a donation page to see if I can raise some funds to get a second printer. And within a couple of hours, we had raised a few $1,000s. And it was on a Saturday morning. As of that Sunday, I had 5 printers producing these pieces. Since then, the donations have just taken off. The response has been incredible. Our list of hospitals and medical facilities that are in need was over 60 or 70 deep, each of them requesting between 50 and 100 shields. So as of right now, we're producing about 250 shields a day. And when we have all the printers up and running, we're hoping to do between 400 and 500. We really need the donations to continue to be able to source this material, because as companies are starting to sell out, it's harder to source it. It's becoming more expensive. The places where we would normally get it that offer free shipping no longer have stock of it. And so, where we would normally spend $14, $15, $16 for a roll, I can see a week from now us having to spend $30 for a roll because all of a sudden we're paying for shipping of each individual piece.